Hey there! Today, we're diving into the world of bioprinting, a frontier of medical science and engineering. Bioprinting, in a nutshell, is 3D printing with biological materials. Think of it like a high-tech version of building with blocks. It all started in the early 2000s when scientists first began experimenting with 3D printing technology. Since then, we've made some pretty big strides. We can now print skin, blood vessels, and even some organs. The process involves creating a blueprint of the organ, layering cells and a gel-like substance to build it up, and then maturing it in a lab. But it's not as simple as it sounds. There are many challenges, like ensuring the printed organs function correctly and are accepted by the body. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits are huge. Imagine a world where organ donors are no longer needed, and we can print organs on demand. Right now, we're still in the early stages. Most bioprinted organs are used for research and drug testing, not for transplants. The future, though, is bright. We're looking at possibilities like printing entire hearts or even more complex organs like the brain. So that's bioprinting in a nutshell. It's a fascinating field that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible in medicine and engineering. To explore more on this topic and other skills, log into Gyata.ai. See you there.